Hey everyone, it's Sharon from Go On. I want to give you a quick update of what's been going on with us. We haven't been doing too many regular videos because we've been busy with graduations and celebrations. These beads are called focues, and the parent is supposed to wear the beads and then they put them on the graduate for good luck. I have the same degree as Brian does, but we both have our masters in social work. So I was presenting that to him and just kind of presenting my 40 past years of wisdom to him to carry on the torch. So while Brian's graduating with his master's, Kayla is a senior. She's been busy with the prom and doing all the fun senior stuff. And then Kayla graduated from high school. My granddaughter is very fortunate. She was selected to go to a summer program which starts July 5th, where she will start college early for 5 weeks, and then she'll come home, and then she goes back in September. But it's all expenses paid, so she's very, very fortunate. So we have been busy enjoying a lot of graduations and celebrating, and we're throwing a double graduation party. We've been really busy cleaning the deck, staining the deck, getting the pool ready. Like I said, then Kayla will start this program July 5th. So I've been shopping for stuff for the party and shopping for stuff for her dorm room, and it's been it's been crazy. So we haven't been making too many regular videos lately. But pretty soon we're going to be starting the west ones because we're planning on hitting the road in September to go out west. So we're very much looking forward to focus all of our attention on the west trip.
I'm sitting here reading something on my computer right now.
What you doing with the map?
Well, I started off by marking some of the national parks on the map that are in states that we want to go to.
So stay tuned. We've had a lot going on with home stuff, but we should have camping and travel related videos coming up shortly.
So be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like their videos. Wait, is that a shark?